Hi, I'm Josh Willis with Rayzist, and today I'm joined by Matthew from ABRA.
Good morning, everyone.
And today we're going to show you how to check the tension on your belts, making sure that they're at the right tension so that everything's running properly.
Let's get after it.
First, you're going to start by removing all of the screws that hold the cover on. Next, you're going to remove the cover. Once you remove both sides, left and right covers, you want to put your fingers on the belts at the same time and feel to make sure you have the same amount of tension. You want a nice little spring back. If the belt is just laying on the bottom belt, it's far too loose. If you cannot push down with a little bit of pressure, the belt may be too tight. You want to have a nice spring back on both left and right side, ensuring that they're both the same tension. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helped. Hopefully the machine's up and running. If for whatever reason it hasn't solved your problem, please reach out to me or Matthew or any of our tech support people. And we're happy to walk you through it and get this thing resolved and get your machine up and running. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.